Xi'an, capital of northwest China's Shaanxi province, has imposed closed-off management for communities and villages since last Thursday, in an effort to contain the latest COVID-19 resurgence. Residents have been asked not to leave the city unless absolutely necessary. China Post, the country's national postal service provider, has conducted a series of measures to ensure parcel delivery during the pandemic.
咱们在疫情来临之前，日均处理量基本在接近200万件。那么目前呢，由于这个疫情的这个冲击，日均现在我们处理的这个单数呢，基本上会降低到了40万件。一些保民生，保这个民用所需的一些这个快件，我们进行一个优先处理。那么在人员上进行管控，以最优化的这个生产组织方案去应对这个疫情带来的这个生产情况。
All personnel at the post center have to conduct nucleic acid testing, and must produce a negative nucleic acid test certificate issued within 48 hours. Special passages for epidemic prevention and disinfection have been set up for postal cars from epidemic areas.
那么针对中高风险及以上的地区疫区的邮件呢，我们进行一个单独的一个消杀。首先呢是设置一个专用的这个防疫消杀垛口。我们在这个防疫消杀垛口呢，安排着固定的、专业的这个消杀人员，那么穿着防护服进行一个消杀处理。那么所有疫区来的邮件，在消杀完毕之后，那么进入我们的邮件进入我们的生产厂区，再进行下一步的这个邮件处理。
我们现在对全国到咱们陕西的邮件这一块做好分流工作，保证咱们全国到咱们西安以外其他地区的邮件还是比较顺畅的发运。
Xi'an reported 155 locally transmitted COVID-19 cases on Saturday, bringing the total number of locally transmitted confirmed COVID-19 cases to 485 in the latest resurgence since December 9.